Today's tip is about the classroom space. Have you ever thought about whether your classroom is set up to suit extroverts or introverts? In ELT, we love a U-shape or a horseshoe desk layout, but this can actually be detrimental to introverted students who have nowhere to hide. But that doesn't mean traditional rows are better either. The most inclusive layout, which works for all learners, wherever they are on the introvert-extrovert continuum, is flexible seating. If you can have some desks in groups, others set up for pairs, and maybe a quiet corner with a couple of cushions or stools, your classroom will be more flexible. If you allow your students to choose how they want to work, they can choose the most appropriate seating. It can also help to have any classroom materials in places where students can get them without having to ask. For similar reasons, you can have visual aids that allow students to ask for help without attracting attention. For example, coloured post-its that they can place on their desk. Finally, avoid shadowing students. Give them space. One tip, instead of hovering over students or just staying at the front, place a chair somewhere else in the classroom and sit there while students are doing an activity. It will be less intimidating for the students than if they have to walk to the front of the class in front of everyone.